In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide the location of your X account on your profile. So if you created your X account with a PC, then yours will be very, very much smooth. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Very simple. So I'm going to use my profile as an example. So with this profile, I created this account on a PC. So let me show you guys something. So now it's been opened. So I tap on this to open it and you can see connected via. So mostly you people, you create with a mobile phone. So connected via, there will be a country there, and this one you can change it. Where you connected via, you can change it. Where you downloaded your X app, you can't change it, something like that. So you can see where the account is based in. I've also changed that as well, so you can see my exact location. So this is my exact location. When you use country, you're going to see the exact location. By coming back here and I reopen it, you're going to see my exact location. So to do this, you just tap on your settings here and then you move to use region or continent, and it's going to change. So now let me come back and now let me reopen it, and you can see it's based in Africa. So you're not going to know the part of Africa it's been based in. So yeah, simple and easy. And if you connected or you created your account with a laptop, that's very much smooth. They are not going to see any country that you downloaded your X from. Simple and easy. So that's it on how you hide your account location on X. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.